We are a sheet metal manufacturing company in Macon, Georgia. We have 2 locations in Macon and 1 location in Byron. We hire all different types of positions from general laborers to powder coaters, welders and fabricators, and industrial service mechanics.
We're looking for people that want to work and want to make a long-term career. On top of that, we're looking for someone who's open to be in the work culture. And when I say work culture, I mean, being a team player, being positive, being willing and ready and able to work. Because this is not easy work. These guys, they work really hard.
If you came in the door with little to no experience, we would put you in one of our starter departments, and then you could move up to other departments or become leads or supervisors in your current department.
Do you want to learn a new skill? Do you want to grow any skills you may have already regarding welding, fabrication, machining, things of that sort? If so, then we're the perfect place to come to. You have a lot of great managers, a lot of great supervisors, and there's a lot of things coming that are really going to help, the employees grow to exactly where they want to be.
We offer a large amount of benefits: medical, dental, vision, company paid life insurance, employee assistance program, accident coverage, other supplemental insurances, short-term disability, a referral program, employee discounts, room for advancement, on-the-job training, and performance incentives.
It's a great opportunity to advance your career. It's a great opportunity to grow within whatever you're trying to do, depending on what your skill set is. The work culture here is great. It's very family oriented. It comes from a family owned background, so that's a really big thing here.